ChatGPT. Basically, we will be talking about what is ChatGPT, how to use it, what are the different options we have in it. We won't be covering everything in it, but try to cover options which I think might be useful. The full form of ChatGPT is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot. You give it prompts and it will generate answers. How to access ChatGPT? We can access ChatGPT using a web browser, using ChatGPT mobile app, without signing in some regions only. We have opened ChatGPT and now I will show you the message box. This is in the middle with the plus sign. Let me show you. This is the message box. Okay, now I'll move it to its original size. Now there is plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, different options appear. Add photos and files, create image, web search, deep research, OpenAI platform. Okay, with add photos and files, we can upload our photos and files and make formatting on it, but we have to be careful what photos and files we upload. Then create image, we create a image of this any prompt we give. Web search, we search on the web. Deep research, that is if you want something deep knowledge about some topic or some topic or some research work we want to do, then we can use deep research. So let's start. Write summary about a beautiful. Let's see what it says. So we have something about beautiful flower. Suppose we want to know about HTML. What is HTML? It will tell us what is HTML. Then suppose we want to write resume of computer science graduate fresher, 60% marks. Okay, so let's see. So here the format is there, you can edit it. So here the resume, here the edit sign is there with the pencil. Click on edit. Suppose you want to write the name, let's say AAA, phone number, leave it, then address, career objective. So you can write phone, email, and in this way a good resume will be there. So if you want to make changes in the resume, you can write with prompts. Suppose strengths, certification, hobbies, personal details, declaration. So this is here we will write it. Software developer, make the resume stand out. So in this way you can write the resume. And now let's check the different options on the left hand side. This is the sidebar. Here new chats, search chats, library, projects, apps, codecs, more. In new chat is there, that is blank. The whatever prompts we were giving and we were getting answer, that is cleared, and the message box is there where we can new prompts. Then search chats. Suppose we have made different prompts and got the answers, those are the chats. When we click on search chats, we can search them. Library, here we get the images which we have made earlier. Projects, so we can, with the plus sign, we can create the project. In that whatever work we do, it will be there in that project. Apps, we can access other apps through this option. Codecs, this is used for coding. More, images, and deep search, same what we learned. No projects here. Okay, so we will check different options, plus sign. create image. So we have to give the prompt create image. So we will give the prompt draw a picture of elephant with background of mountains. Now we'll set the prompt. So we are drawing a picture of elephant with the help of ChatGPT, and the background will be of mountains. See, very nice. Now we will change something. Edit. Here the edit option is there. Make a peacock stand next to elephant. We'll send the prompt. In the meantime, we will refresh sidebar. That is new chat, search chat, library, projects, apps, codecs and more. With all these options, you can work in ChatGPT, and this is a free version, and there are sometimes chances that you have to recheck the details. it it can make mistakes also, ChatGPT. Let's see how the picture looks. Very nice, amazing. Now we can edit again picture. Change the weather to raining. Change the weather to raining. Let's see, it takes some time. Let's see. Okay, so it's raining. We can change the color of rain to green. See, so in this way you can use ChatGPT. You can write even code also. So if you have liked this video, please like, share and subscribe.